ongoing issue for us in the RV park is the grass, and the more people we have and the busier we are, the more the grass gets worn out. So in the center circle where the bathrooms are, we've decided to push the gravel towards the grass more, making the grass a little bit smaller, but at least when people arrive they can put out a rug, a mat, make a fire pit, they can park 2 or 3 cars. So today Anthony started scraping one of the spots and we're going to put down some gravel instead of half-assed grass. Jeez, that's a lot of work. So we're going to make a line from that tree to that tree.
And I put the stakes to make it rounded out.
Yeah, that's perfect. Crazy, man. Why would you? Our guests have the most impeccable aim. You got a 16-foot wide road and an 8-foot wide RV, and you can hit the fence. It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Such good aim. It's okay.
Whatever he takes, he doesn't mind. Did you see what his car looks like?
No. But how do you hit a fence? So yesterday Anthony started scraping all the grass and the gravel between space number 22 and 21, and we never realized there was 2 guests coming in today, so these guys are hustling to get it ready before noon when the customer checks in. So over here we're going to gravel this part next. Friday today, the weekend is starting off. It's busy here. There's an RV that just pulled in. They were driving by on the freeway. He couldn't get his slide in, so he drove from the previous RV park on the highway with his slide all the way out, and he asked if he could plug into one of the spaces to try charge his battery to make the slide work, but Anthony says it looks like the alternator of the RV is dead, which is not charging the battery. So I'm just going to go over there and see what's going on. Oh. Yeah. So everything's alternator.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna find out right now. Yeah. Just gonna pull it. There's that.
So Anthony hooked up a battery charger to the house batteries and got the slides in, but we can't seem to find out where the car battery is, not the RV one. So they're just going to get on the road and hope for the best. The bad thing is it's a rental, and the rental company's far away that can't offer much help. With every reservation, we have to charge our customers 14% transient occupancy tax. So I'm just on the way to the post office right now. Bring him inside. Put him under. But this thing gets way hot, doesn't it?
Oh, you could change it down.
Coming off?
Nah, let me soak for a minute.
No way.
Coming off.
This is slowly starting to tear the skin.
Yeah, all that came off.
If you let him go, he'll bite you.
He'll try, but he's pretty weak. Probably been there for a while.
You have to get.
That's just a skid plate. So
it's just down here.
Right here's the actual sharpened part and these edges. And they'll just cut into the sides and the bottom and then roll it over.
And you copy
right back
that
in the hole.
from.
At least you got little chunks instead of these massive chunks.
Yeah. Yeah, it's much quicker than stamping it. That's killer. Hello. Today Anthony's going to be putting a new sink in our camper for us and a new faucet. We've had it in the back office for about 2 months. We've just been putting it off.
Adjustable, where's your new... Let out.
Kitchen sink. I'll get that. What I'm using here is butyl tape. We normally use it for RV roofs and windows when you're joining a seam together, but it's going to make a nice seal for the sink. Butyl tape is a putty. It never gets hard, but it makes a nice good water seal when you compress it down.
Anthony put in a tall faucet for us, but with the camper moving and us traveling so much, we didn't think it was a great idea. So he put in this new little one. It's super cute. It's got a shower as well, and I like it.
It's Wednesday morning today. It's mid-August, and already the nights and the mornings are getting pretty chilly. Days are still hot. We've got a whole bunch of things going on today. Anthony's on the roof of Aspen cleaning the roof. Brian's cutting down a bunch of old picnic tables. And Ronnie's mowing the lawn. Right now I'm making photocopies because we are fighting a chargeback. A few weeks ago a lady came with 2 trailers and she put them on one RV space, insisting that she doesn't want to pay for a second space. So we just charged her for another space. She used that one for parking, and now she doesn't want to pay the whole amount. But we are not going to just lose the case. We will win. She's a contract attorney. Big deal. I'll show her that she cannot steal RV spaces. She should be ashamed of herself.
What is that, Charlie?
Because, you know, he's a woman.
He's a man, he rips the door open and calls her a stupid motherfucker about 4 times. I'm like, dude.
Yeah, that's not right.
No, of course not. But I mean, she did fuck it up, but still, it doesn't mean she's
Accidents happen, man.
fucking up.
That's not cool. She didn't do it on purpose.
You know what to do, Eddie.
I told you, this little classy, instead of waiting behind the guy, he just stopped to get the reservation details out, and she went flying by him and she smashed his mirror on the side of his, I don't know if it was his mirror or his actual RV. Yeah, this lady came to tell me because I was busy.
This guy just told me, he's like, the lady hit the car.
Yeah.
Dang. All the drama when I'm not here.
On the days that Cameron uses the sit-down mower, Ronnie takes the push mower and gets it in the small areas that the sit-down mower cannot fit. We recently bought this 4-door Jeep. We went down to Redding to pick it up. We have another one the same in white in Mexico. It's a 2-door and it's really hard to get the parents in and to take passengers because you got to put the seat forward to get into the back seat. So this one's a 4-door. It's in really good shape. It comes with all the crap you need. It's got a winch, it's got a swing out rear bumper, tire carrier, it's got off-road lights. Pretty much in great condition except for the headliner. Today I'm replacing the headliner because it was sagging. But the interior is really clean. Everything works. See, the headliner's out. But otherwise it's automatic. It's got 33-inch wheels. It's got a swing out tire rack, high lift jack. Somebody coming right now to check into space 57 called me to say there's a trailer in his space. So we're just going over there to see what's going on because often people pull into the spot next to them that they think is theirs. So we gave him a few other options so the original guy doesn't have to move. Yeah, that's... So he's going to be in 57. Okay, I'm going to go forward. Alright, so he said he'll go in the one next to it. We hope you liked the video. Please help us grow our channel by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting. And please don't think that we put these videos of our guests banging into things as a way to make fun of them. It's just a way to bring attention to what goes on in the park. And just to tell everybody, just be a little more careful. Do you think if that 400-pound log was a baby in a stroller, do you think the man would have hit it with his car and then his trailer? I don't think so. Hope you liked the video, and we're going to leave you with some footage of the McCloud car show. See you next time.